Hello and welcome back to Mindful AI Money Hacks. Today we're diving into a game-changing method for creating product review videos on YouTube without the usual time and cash investment. Imagine automating your reviews using AI tools. No need to purchase products or spend hours shooting videos. Ready to learn how? Let's get started. Creating a YouTube channel for product reviews traditionally demands a lot of effort and money. You have to buy products, film your reviews, and ensure top-notch production quality. However, these channels can make a substantial income through AdSense and Amazon affiliate marketing. But what if we could simplify the process using AI? You'll discover that and more today. First, we need a product to review. Head over to Amazon and search for a popular item with many positive reviews. Choose something affordable but highly rated. For instance, let's go with an air fryer for our demonstration. This will be the focus of our review video. Now, let's use AI, like ChatGPT, to write our video script. First, gather all the information about our product, what it does, its features, and customer reviews. Put everything in Google Docs. Then, ask ChatGPT to make a script by saying, "Can you make a review script for our product?" It should include an introduction, features, pros and cons, and a conclusion. ChatGPT will provide us with a complete script covering everything. This script will help us structure our video effectively and ensure we address all key points. Now our script is ready, and we need a voiceover. ElevenLabs is a great free tool for this. If you have any trouble with ElevenLabs, you can also try Clipchamp, which is free too. We'll use ElevenLabs for now because it offers realistic AI voices that can make your video sound professional. Simply choose a voice that suits your channel's style, paste your script, and generate the voiceover easily. Now let's get pictures for our video. First, go to the Amazon page and save product images. You can also use pictures from the reviews. These pictures will make your video more interesting. Next, head over to Canva for the background video. Log into your free account, search for abstract backgrounds, and pick a free video you like. This background will make your video more lively. Adjust the duration to fit your content and download it. Using an AI spokesperson can make your videos look more professional. Collation is a great tool for this. Simply sign up for a free account, choose an avatar you like, and use a green screen to make editing easier. Upload your voiceover and generate your video. It's that easy. To edit your video with all your visuals, use CapCut. Upload your images, background video, voiceover, and the AI spokesperson video. Crop the AI spokesperson video to remove any watermark. Use CapCut's chroma key feature to remove the green screen so you can layer your visuals. Good editing will make your video stand out. Add animations, transitions, and effects to your images and video clips with CapCut's tools. Adding subtitles can also make your video more engaging and accessible. Include a professional logo at the beginning of your video. You can create a logo easily with Canva by searching for templates, customizing one to fit your brand, and downloading it. Add this logo to your video in CapCut for a branded touch. Adding background music can make your video more engaging. You can use YouTube's free audio library to find music. Download a track that fits, add it to your video, and adjust the volume so it doesn't drown out your voice. When you're done editing, export your video and upload it to your YouTube channel. This turns all your effort into a finished product review for your viewers to enjoy. Now that your video is live, you can start earning with Amazon affiliate marketing. Just sign up for Amazon's affiliate program, get your product link, and add it to your video description and comments. When viewers buy the product through your link, you'll earn a commission. Using AI to make product review videos can turn your YouTube channel into a profitable business without the usual hassle. If you liked this tutorial, please like, comment, and subscribe to Mindful AI Money Hacks. Your support helps us keep making free, valuable content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.
Welcome to our in-depth review of the Ninja AF101 Air Fryer. Whether you're a busy professional, a home cook, or someone looking to make healthier food choices, this air fryer promises to be your new kitchen companion. With the ability to air fry, roast, reheat, and dehydrate, the Ninja AF101 offers a versatile and convenient cooking solution. Today, we'll dive into its features, advantages, and any areas for improvement. Features. The Ninja AF101 isn't just an air fryer, it also roasts, reheats, and dehydrates. This versatility allows you to prepare a wide range of meals from crispy French fries to perfectly reheated leftovers and dehydrated snacks. With a 4-quart capacity, this air fryer can handle enough food to feed a small family. It's perfect for making up to 2 lbs of French fries, or enough roasted vegetables for a couple of servings. The wide temperature range of 105 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Celsius means you can gently remove moisture from foods or quickly cook and crisp them with convection heat. The ceramic-coated nonstick basket and crisper plate ensure even cooking and easy cleanup.